Life lessons from ants. Struggle, consistency, and commitment. Did you know that ants can carry objects 50 times their own weight? These tiny creatures demonstrate that no matter your size, challenges can be overcome with sheer determination. Every step they take is a testament to their resilience, proving strength isn't just physical, it's also mental. Ants thrive on collaboration. Whether building intricate homes or finding food, they work together seamlessly. Their dedication to the colony shows that unity and cooperation